birthday, dear Jade. Happy birthday to you.
Yeah, Jade. Jade. Come on, Jade. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yay!
Yay!
Those 2 candles? Yes. Oh, Jade, look!
Oh no!
Blew it. Come on, Jade. You blew it this time. You try.
Oh.
Ready? You and me. You and me together. 1, 2, 3. Oh no!
Jade,
Come
go.
on, Jade. Go.
Ooh.
Oh no! Come on. Okay. One more. Good.
Oh no!
Oh no! Oh no! Jade, you do it. Oh, it's too.
Oh no!
Saying, Christina, you must proofread my whatever it is.
Proofreading. I have horrible grammar.
But you have to see if it's good.
Oh no!
Oh no!
Oh.
Yay!